Computer network topologies. A network topology is the arrangement with which computer systems or network devices are connected to each other. Topologies may define both physical and logical aspects of the network. Both logical and physical topologies could be same or different in a same network. 1. Physical. The physical network topology refers to the actual connections, wires, cables, etc. of how the network is arranged. Setup, maintenance, and provisioning tasks require insight into the physical network. 2. Logical. The logical network topology is a higher-level idea of how the network is set up, including which nodes connect to each other and in which ways, as well as how data is transmitted through the network. Logical network topology includes any virtual and cloud resources. Most common type of network topology. Building a local area network LAN topology can be make or break for your business, as you want to set up a resilient, secure, and easy to maintain topology. There are several different types of network topology and all are suitable for different purposes, depending on the overall network size and your objectives. 1.2-point topology. 2-bus topology. 3-ring topology, 4-star topology, 5-tree topology, 6-mesh topology, 7 hybrid topology, 8 daisy chain topology. As with most things, there's no right or one size fits all option. With this in mind, I'll walk you through the most common network topology definitions to give you a feel for the advantages and disadvantages of each. Point 2. Point networks contains exactly the hosts such as computer, switches or routers, servers connected back-to-back using a single piece of cable. Often, the receiving end of one host is connected to sending end of the other and vice versa. If the hosts are connected point logically, then may have multiple intermediate devices. But the end hosts are unaware of underlying network and see each other as if they are connected directly. Bus topology. Bus topology is the simplest type of network. It supports a small number of computers. In bus topology, all computers or network nodes are connected to a common communication medium. This medium is often a central wire known as bus. The terminators are used at the end of a bus to absorb signals. A collision can occur in bus topology if two computers transmit data at same time. Bus topology is mostly used in peer-to-peer networks. Working of bus network. The sending computer sends the data and destination address through the bus. The data and address move from one computer to the other in the network. Each computer checks the address. If it matches with the address of a computer, the computer keeps the data. Otherwise, the data moves to the next computer. Following are the advantages of bus topology. 1. It is simple and easy to use. 2. It requires small length of cable to connect computers. 3. It is less expensive. 4. It is easy to extend a bus. It allows more computers to join network. 5. If one node fails, it does not affect the rest of the network. Following are the disadvantages of bus topology. 1. It is difficult to troubleshoot. 2. It only supports small number of computers. 3. The network speed slows down as the number of computers increases. Star topology. All computers in star topology are connected with central device called hub or switch. Star topology is mostly used in client-server networks. Working of star network. The sending computer sends the data to the central device. The central device sends data to the receiving computer. Each computer in star network communicates with a central device. Following are the advantages of star topology. 1. It is easy to maintain and modify network. 2. Adding or removing computers can be done without disturbing the network. 3. Finding faults becomes very simple. 4. Single computer failure does not bring down the whole network. 5. It is more flexible than other topologies. Following are the disadvantages of star topology. 1. If central hub fails, the entire network breaks down. 2. It requires a large length of cable to connect computers. 3. It is more expensive. Ring topology. In ring topology, each computer is connected to the next computer with the last one connected to the first. Thus, a ring of computers is formed. Working of ring topology. Every computer is connected to next computer in a ring. Each computer receives message from the previous computer and transmits it to the next computer. The message flows in one direction. The message is passed around the ring until it reaches the correct destination computer. Following are the advantages of ring topology. 1. It is less expensive than star topology. 2. Every computer has equal access to the network. Following are the disadvantages of ring topology. 1. Failure of one computer in the ring can affect the whole network. 2. It is difficult to troubleshoot. 3. Adding or removing computers affects the whole network. Tree topology. A tree topology combines the characteristics of bus and star topologies. It consists of different groups of computers attached in star topology. The groups are connected to a bus backbone cable. Tree topology is used for the expansion of an existing network. Following are the advantages of tree topology. 1. It provides point-to-point wiring for individual segments. 2. It is supported by several hardware and software vendors. Following are the disadvantages of tree topology. 1. Overall length of each segment is limited by the type of cabling used. 2. The entire network goes down if the backbone line breaks. 3. It is more difficult to configure and wire than other topologies. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device in the network is physically connected to every other device in the network. A message can be sent on different possible paths from source to destination. Mesh topology provides improved performance and reliability. Mesh networks are not used much in local area networks. It mostly used in wide area networks. Following are the advantages of mesh topology. 1. It has multiple links, so if one route is blocked, the other can be used for data communication. 2. Its performance is not affected with heavy load of data transmission. 3. It is easy to troubleshoot. Following are the disadvantages of mesh topology. 1. A full mesh network can be very expensive. 2. It is difficult to install and reconfigure. Hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a computer topology which is a combination of two or more topologies. In practical use, they are the most widely used. In this topology, all topologies are interconnected according to the needs to form a hybrid. All the good features of each topology can be used to make an efficient hybrid topology. Following are the advantages of hybrid topology. 1. It can handle a large volume of nodes. 2. It provides flexibility to modify the network according to our needs. 3. Very reliable. If one node fails, it will not affect the whole network. Following are the disadvantages of hybrid topology. 1. Complex design. 2. Expensive to implement. 3. Multi-station access unit and cell required. Daisy chain. This topology connects all the hosts in a linear fashion. Similar to ring topology, all hosts are connected to two hosts only, except the end hosts. Means if the end hosts in daisy chain are connected, then it represents ring topology. Each link in daisy chain topology represents single point of failure. Every link failure splits the network into two segments. Every intermediate host works as relay for its immediate hosts.